welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On this video, we are going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for April 2020. Let's go ahead and get into this box. This is a $15 a month box, and you get at least 2 full-size products along with other sample size and deluxe sample size products. So I think it's a really good box, a good value for your buck. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you do not mind. And click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. I should have another unboxing video up in the next couple of days, so I don't want you to miss that. So here's the Allure box. Right on top we have a little brochure. I don't want to go into that because all of the items that I'm getting will be in here. Here's a quick glance at everything that I got in my box. This box is really heavy. Ooh, pretty shade. The first item I pulled out is this lip liner. This is by Thrive Cosmetics and it is in the color Khaki Mocha. This is a really beautiful neutral lip liner shade that I will definitely get a lot of use out of because I really like this color. So this is definitely a full-size product. Thrive Cosmetics is an awesome brand that I've heard a lot of good things about and never tried. So I am really happy to try this and add that to my collection. The bottom end has its own little pencil sharpener. How cute! Oh, that's perfect. Cool. Oh, it smells so good. I just want to smell pretty. Ooh, I love this. The next item in here is from Eva NYC, and this is a hair primer. This helps to detangle, fight frizz. This is a blow dry protector, heat protector. It should add some shine. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is an all-in-one. It has argan oil, sunflower oil, it's vegan, there's no sulfates, no parabens, no nothing. And it smells so good. Okay, this item right here is by Ciao London. This is the Dewey Stix Aluminous Highlighting Balm, and this is in the color Gleam. It's just a little white gleamy stick, and these boxes are trying to get me to just glow, glow, glow. I'm definitely shining in real life. I don't know if I'm shining on camera or not, but this is a full-size product and I love Ciao London so much. Everything I've ever tried, I am in love with. So, so yeah, now my cheeks are gleaming. Looks like I am sweating because I'm in a hoodie, but that's how it goes. Ooh, I'm actually really excited for this. The next item is from Akar Skin, and this is a balanced toner. I'm actually all out of toner right now, so this is awesome. I am glad to have this. This is in a glass bottle, so I need to be super careful with that. But right now I'm actually using witch hazel as a toner, so I'm excited to have an actual toner right now. I know witch hazel is good, but I like to use an actual toner. So that's a really good deal for me. This right here is a tiny little sample. This is a hydrator and illuminator, but you can see like the bottom is almost like one of those false bottoms. So you don't get that much product. It's filled up pretty much all the way to the top, which is, you know, at least thank you for doing that. So this is a Hydrate and Glow water cream. So this is a really tiny sample. This brand appears to be pricey because for a full size of this, it's $40 and the full size is 1.6 ounces. This next item in here looks really interesting. This is by Dr. Jart, and this cream is meant to work like a tinted moisturizer, a color corrector, and a sunscreen all together. It's like in a mossy greenish type color, and it's supposed to balance with your skin. This is so interesting. This green is actually supposed to neutralize any redness in the skin, and then it turns into a beige color that's supposed to match with your skin tone. I have never heard, tried, or seen anything like this. You can just wear this like a BBCC cream and go out the door. I don't know about that, but I do love that it has a 30 SPF. Wow, this will be a product to try. I wish they would have given me a little bit more to really try it, but I mean, it's like halfway full, but I don't know. How is that gonna work? I have to show you this because I just tried it on my hand and I can't even see the lip liner that I put on my hand. Let me show you. Okay. Look at this little experiment. So I'm taking a little bit of the Dr. Jart Psychopair. Okay, so I have a little bit on my finger here. Watch, I'm gonna go over my happy face. It literally neutralized it. I think this is gonna be my favorite product in the whole world. How did it do that? It just like took it off. And it did turn into like my skin tone. I am mesmerized. The last product I have here is by Allure, and this is a hydrating and calming serum. And it says balance, so I'm noticing a little balance theme. They want me to tone and then put the serum so I can be balanced and centered, right? Cool. So a nice hydrating serum. I like it that it has a pump. The scent of it is basically like a toner. This was such a cool box. So this was a $15 box, and if I just add up the value of my 2 full-size products, it was $46. Yay, I loved this box. It was so good. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you'd go ahead and do that for me. While you're there subscribing, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!